Did you know that you can connect your GoPro Hero 12 to your Bluetooth devices, like your Bluetooth microphone or your Bluetooth wireless earbuds? Well, it's true. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. So from the home screen, all you need to do is swipe down from the top. Then you want to swipe to the right. Swipe to the right, got there. Then you want to tap on over here on the top left-hand side where it says pair device. So we're going to tap on that one. Now it's going to bring up this screen up here, and this screen says it's ready to pair to the GoPro Quick app, which is one of the other things you can pair it to, or another Bluetooth compatible device. Just going to make sure that your Bluetooth device is in pairing mode. All right, so we're just going to open up these earbuds over here. Look on the screen right now, it actually says Soundpeats, which is the brand of earbuds that I use. They're actually pretty good too. I'll put a link in the description down below. And now it's got a plus next to their title. So I'm just going to tap on that plus, like so. And then straight away, it's searching for the device. And now, whammo, you can see right away, the Bluetooth icon is there telling us that the Soundpeats earbuds, in my case, are now paired with my GoPro Hero 12. Okay, so now I've paired my earbuds to the GoPro Hero 12. And if we go to this screen here where we started, the pairing screen, you can see up here on the top left-hand corner, there's actually says paired Soundpeats. So it actually tells you that you are currently paired to that particular device. So if you ever want to check to make sure if you are connected, this is where you find it. Now, if you want to get rid of that device, that's quite easy as well. Just tap on that paired device screen, and over here on the right hand side you can see a trash can. So if you press on the trash can, and that will say, do you want to remove that device? And I go, yes, we'll remove it. And there you have it. Now we're back to the pairing screen again. It's that simple, folks. All right, so I've paired up the GoPro Hero 12 Black to my earbuds, which are fitted firmly in my ears right now. And when I turn the camera on or turn the camera off, I can hear the beeps nice and clearly coming right through my earbuds. So that means that I know that I've got full connectivity. With Bluetooth, you do have quite a distance that you can actually be away from your GoPro Hero, and it will still pick up the sound. So right now I'm probably currently around about just over a meter away from the GoPro Hero 12. How does it sound? Let me take a few more steps back. So right now, probably looking at around about 2.5 meters, and the sound should still be able to be picked up nicely and clearly by the GoPro Hero 12 Black. All right, so we've done a test outdoors and we used the Soundpeats earbuds, which are great, but this time we're going to try an indoor setting. And this time we're also using a different Bluetooth device as well. Right now I've got these awesome Sony headphones. They're the WH-1000XM3s. I'll put a link to them in the description below. They're fantastic headphones, and we're going to test out the quality of how they sound and how the Bluetooth audio sounds with the GoPro Hero indoors. All right, so once again, just like before, we're going to pair our device with the GoPro Hero 12. I'm doing my first test right now at 1 meter away from the camera, and the audio that you're hearing is totally coming from these Sony headphones. So how does it sound so far? Pretty good. Let's test it out at a different distance away from the camera. All right, so now we're broadcasting to you, or rather we're talking to you from 3 meters away from the camera, and the audio that you're hearing is from these awesome Sony headphones. All right, so now we're 5 meters away from the camera, 5 meters away from the GoPro Hero. So right now I'm about 10 meters away from the GoPro Hero 12. Okay, well that was pretty interesting. Like at each of those different distances that we had away from the camera, the sound quality was surprisingly good. Like I was really blown away that even at 10 meters away in an indoor setting, the sound was still tip top. But what did you think? Let me know in the comments section down below. It's interesting to me that the sound quality seemed to be better inside rather than outside, but I was using a different audio device this time. So one of the great things about the GoPro Hero 12 is with its Bluetooth audio capability, you can link up to 4 devices to your camera, although you can only connect to one at a time. All right, so one of the other great features of being able to use this Bluetooth audio capability with your GoPro Hero 12 is that you can use the voice commands on your Hero. GoPro, start recording. And as you can see, straight away, the camera has started to record a video. GoPro, stop recording. It's as simple as that. That is such a cool feature, especially if you plan to record from quite a distance away from the camera. The new GoPro Hero 12 with its Bluetooth connectivity is an awesome feature. It just makes your GoPro even more versatile than what it already was. To learn more about the amazing GoPro Hero 12 and some of the things that it can do, you want to click on this video over here right now. As usual, thank you for your company today, and I will see you in the next video.